Hello, welcome back to my video. So guys, when you are facing this type of problem, something went wrong, please try again later. When you are loading your photos or trying to log in your Snapchat on your iPhone. So if you're facing this type of problem, then you are exactly at the right location because I'm gonna show you how you can easily fix this type of error. So first of all, what you need to do is just go back to your home screen, and then firstly, main reason there may be that your network error. What you need to do is just here you have to make sure that you have a strong internet connection if you are using the mobile data, and if you're using the Wi-Fi connection, then tap here on your Wi-Fi and then forget this connection and then reconnect it and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if this isn't the case, then there are a couple of methods to solve this problem. So for first method, what you need to do is just here open up your Snapchat on your device and then tap here on your profile icon and now tap here on your settings icon. Now scroll it down here, and here you will see the option like clear cache. Here it is, and now tap here on clear. So all of your caches will be cleared and Snapchat will restore. So tap here on clear and your Snapchat will restart. So tap on OK and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still isn't fixed, then open up here settings app on your device and then scroll it down here and tap on general. Now again scroll it down here and tap on iPhone storage, and then here you have to locate your Snapchat. So here it is. So tap on this and from here offload the app. So offload it. This will free up your storage. So what you need to do is just reinstall the app, and after the process of reinstallation has been done, you have to check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still isn't fixed, then what you need to do is just go for the next method. For that, you have to force restart your device by pressing holding the combination of the keys according to your iPhone model. So hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. And this trick also doesn't work for you, then what you need to do is just go for the next method. For that, what you have to do is just uninstall your Snapchat app and then turn off your device at least for the 60 seconds and then turn back on and then install your Snapchat app, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So these are the method you can avoid this type of error. So if the video is helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.